Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. After the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, like this. Scroll through the menu, select the system option and then press the start/stop button to enter, and here you should see the option called language. Select it and then press the start/stop button, and this should open the list of languages. And we can scroll through this list by using the up and down buttons. Now scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use and select it, and then press the start/stop button to confirm. Oh, my bad. Like this. Oh, I changed it already. So if you go back, the language changed. Now, let's bring it back to English quickly. Like this. And as you can see, it changed. And once you're done changing the language, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.